Introducing Wyze Cam V3, the third generation of Wyze's flagship camera. 1080p HD security camera with spotlight kit, IP65 weatherproof, compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. Smart security, light turns on automatically when motion is detected. The Wyze Cam V3 records video when motion and sound are detected, and sends an alert to your phone. Two-way audio and Siren, greet and speak with visitors with loud two-way audio. The Wyze Cam V3 also has a Siren button you can press to scare off unwanted guests. IP65 Weather Resistance, the camera and spotlight are rated to stand up to any weather. App control, toggle the spotlight on and off manually or automate using rules in the Wyze app. Color night vision, record nighttime video in full, vivid color in environments up to 25 times darker than traditional cameras. Toggle on and off manually using the Wyze app. Automate using rules in the Wyze app. Switch between low and high brightness levels. Control with third-party integrations such as IFTTT. Experience the all-new Starlight sensor, see what's coming, even at night. Use it indoors and outdoors. Keep an eye on what or who's important. The Wyze Cam V3 is one of the best and most feature-rich home security cameras you can buy in 2021.